The first thing that you need to do before configuring the FortiGate firewall is to access it on the network. This here is what the login page will look like when you access it for the very first time. Now the default IP address of the FortiGate is 192.168.1.99. Therefore, it's important to make sure that your computer starting out that it must be configured to use some IP from that 192.168.1.0 network in order to access the firewall. Now we have done that, and we need to confirm if the firewall is pingable from our computer. So we'll go ahead and ping that IP address. So in our case, it is reachable, and that will allow us to access the administrative page of this firewall. So for logging in, the default username would be admin, and there's no password. When you first log in, you will see the main dashboard of the firewall reflecting such details like the system information that will show the host name, the serial number for licensing purposes. You see the actual time, even the firmware version, and much more. You'll also see what licensing is available to us, what features are enabled, and you'll get a quick snapshot of the system resources in terms of the current CPU, memory, even the disk usage. So this is a great view of resources and information that is presented on a single page. Now, you'll also notice that each of these particular sections are represented as a widget that you can customize and remove if you like. So since we are logged in, we will continue on with the configuration of our firewall for the various topics that are listed in this series.